Now that we realize that everything is energy, the power to make something happen, just how tiny is the tiniest particle of energy? Well, let's start with the observation. Do you notice something about water through a microscope? What about fire and air? Notice a little jiggle, almost as if these particles are being knocked around by tinier particles. Well, by their motion, we've calculated just how tiny those teeny particles of energy could be. About as tiny as an apple to the earth, or our star, the sun, to the largest star in the universe. Like tiny, teeny, weeny, like you can't even see it, but you can feel it. Put your hands together from far away, bringing them closer and closer together. Do you feel some friction? That is the jiggly dance of atoms, the teeniest systems of energy known to us. But what kind of energy is in an atom? The teeniest particle of energy we know of. Well, surely you felt static shock before, right? From plastic slides, from metal doorknobs, even the water. Static shock is negatively charged particles of energy. So atoms must have negative charges. But wait, if all the energy around us and in us had negative electrical charges, wouldn't we be getting shocked all the time? There must be something balancing that negative charge. Positive energy. When we shot positive radiation through thin metal foil, we noticed something. Some of that positive radiation beamed right through, but some bounced back. Only positive energy can repel positive energy. So atoms must be a balance of positive and negative energy. But what holds the positive energy together if positive energy repels itself? Neutral energy has the power to hold positive energy together. So when we put it all together, we have the atom, a balance of positive and negative energy held together by the neutral balancing force of the universe. Interestingly enough, in ancient Chinese cosmology, it is said that the entire material universe as we know it is made up of that balance of opposing positive and negative energies, the yin and the yang, otherwise known as atoms. So if atoms are contained systems of energy, what happens when it gets uncontained? Well, besides getting static shocked all the time, lightning is when negatively charged energy particles from the clouds, electrons, escape to the ground. That's what makes the thunder sound. Also, around our Earth are heavy belts of negative and positively charged energy, electrons and protons, outside of atoms. When released from atoms, they're called radiation, and they're quite dangerous for the human health, which is why we have to speed through it at an incredible speed in order to not get affected. One of the reasons it's very risky to send people to the moon. The positive and neutral energy inside of the center or nucleus of an atom are known collectively as nuclear energy, and it's some of the most powerful energy in the universe. In fact, over 30 states in the United States are powered by nuclear energy by extracting the nuclear energy from unstable uranium atoms. So let's put together the poetry of the universe. Positive energy out of balance can destroy you. Negative energy out of balance can shock or even kill you. But if you channel it, you can empower a world. And when it's balanced, there's a universe of possibility.